500 messages to strangers every day, but not in the usual way. Is it true that the usual way people do this is simply by composing a message and sending it directly to customers? However, this method is often blocked by Instagram when the content includes images or videos. So today, I'm going to show you the post-sharing feature of MKT Insta. This feature helps you preserve the full images or videos attached along with your message. To use this feature, go into MKT Insta and select the share function. I want to share this video, so I'll copy its link and paste it into the software. Next, you need to prepare the accompanying message content. Here, I use chat to generate the content and tag the account that posted the video to encourage everyone to follow that account. Add it into the content management section as instructed. Select the accounts you want to use to share the message, then copy the video link and paste it into the software. Select the accompanying message content. Finally, enter the list of usernames of the people you want to send messages to, then press Start to begin. The software will automatically send the messages, and you won't need to do anything else. And here are the results. As you can see, the sent message includes the suggested image. So, would you like to use this feature for your work? Contact me via WhatsApp or Telegram for consultation. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.